Public speaking is an essential skill in today's world, and it's essential to know how to present yourself confidently in front of a group of people. Whether it's a presentation in the office, a pitch to potential investors, or a speech at a social event, being able to communicate effectively can make all the difference. In this video, we'll go over some tips and tricks to help you public speak like a pro. Before heading towards video, smash the like button. Here we go. Know your audience. The first step in becoming a great public speaker is knowing your audience. Take some time to research and understand who you'll be speaking to. What are their interests and motivations? What do they already know about the topic? Knowing your audience will help you tailor your message and ensure that it resonates with them. Practice, practice, practice. There is no substitute for practice when it comes to public speaking. Rehearsing your speech or presentation ahead of time will help you feel more comfortable and confident when it's time to present. Practice in front of a mirror or record yourself on video to identify areas where you need to improve. Start with a strong opening. The opening of your speech or presentation is crucial to capturing your audience's attention. Start with a powerful quote, a thought-provoking question, or a surprising statistic to grab their attention from the start. This will help you build momentum and keep your audience engaged throughout your presentation. Use visual aids. Visual aids, such as slides or props, can help you convey your message more effectively and make your presentation more engaging. However, it's important to not rely too heavily on visual aids. Your message should be strong enough to stand on its own, and visual aids should be used to enhance your presentation and not distract from it. Speak clearly and slowly. One of the most common mistakes people make when public speaking is speaking too quickly or mumbling. This can make it difficult for your audience to understand what you're saying, and it can detract from the impact of your message. Additionally, speaking too fast can make you appear nervous or unsure of yourself. By speaking slowly and clearly, you give your audience time to process what you're saying and understand your message. It's also important to enunciate each word clearly, so that even those in the back of the room can hear and understand you. So take your time and speak with confidence and clarity to make the biggest impact on your audience. Use body language. Your body language can convey just as much, if not more, than your words. Use confident, open body language to convey authority and credibility. Stand up straight, make eye contact with your audience, and use gestures to emphasize important points. Be authentic. Finally, the most important thing you can do when public speaking is to be authentic. Don't try to be someone you're not or pretend to have more knowledge or expertise than you actually do. Be yourself, speak from the heart, and let your passion for your topic shine through. In conclusion, public speaking is a skill that can be learned and mastered with practice and dedication. By knowing your audience, practicing, starting with a strong opening, using visual aids, speaking clearly and slowly, using body language, and being authentic, you can public speak like a pro and leave a lasting impression on your audience. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful videos. And don't forget to share this video with anyone who could benefit from these tips. Thanks for watching.